Hello and welcome to the Sudoku Academy by Sudoku X. Our goal is to provide you with clear and effective techniques to enhance your Sudoku solving skills. In today's session, we'll be focusing on the last possible number technique. In the Sudoku universe, techniques fall into two camps: placement and elimination. Placement is about filling in the blanks, while elimination deals with narrowing down the possibilities to eventually uncover the correct number for each cell. Every Sudoku puzzle has a unique solution, solvable by specific methods. Our beginner and easy levels are crafted to be tackled with straightforward placement tactics. Consider a partially completed 3x3 block. The last possible number strategy involves identifying the one number that's missing using the cornerstone Sudoku principle. Each number 1 through 9 must appear once per row, column, and block. Focus on the central block. Let's see if we can figure out what number should go in the bottom left cell. Within the block, numbers 4, 6, and 7 are already present, meaning we're missing 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 9. The intersecting row, however, prevents us from placing the 2, 5, and 8 in the highlighted cell. The intersecting column further eliminates the 1 and 9. You see? By process of elimination, the only contender left for our highlighted cell is 3. Let's place it. By the way, you can apply this technique multiple times throughout many games. As you progress filling the board, the last possible numbers will reveal themselves more frequently. Make sure you also watch the video with other placement techniques, last free cell, and single possible position in becoming a Sudoku master. And practice your skills with Sudoku X and master the beginner and easy levels.